You and I both know that AI has completely taken over the game and is coming for everyone's jobs, including mine. Channels like these are getting monetized faster than ever with the help of AI. The best part about this is that you don't have to show your face, and you can have your first YouTube short uploaded in the next 15 minutes using the special AI tool that I'm about to show you in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. First things first, we need to choose a niche. Now this is basically just a theme of the YouTube channel. What I like to do is use ChatGPT to help me brainstorm some ideas. As always, all of the prompts that I use in this video are going to be in the pinned comment down below. But what we're going to ask from ChatGPT is to give us evergreen niches that we can start a YouTube Shorts channel in. And as you can see, these are some of the options that it is giving me. Now for my channel, I like the niche how the body works. This niche is actually something I've seen go viral consistently. Once you've picked the niche that you like, you can move into the next step, which is choosing a channel name. Now you want something catchy and short that people will be able to remember. As I said, I use ChatGPT for almost everything nowadays. So what you can do is simply ask ChatGPT to generate YouTube channel names in the niche that you've chosen. Once again, these are the results that ChatGPT has come up with. And once you've seen a name that you like, what you want to do is head back over to YouTube and type in that channel name. What you're looking for is if there's any other big channels that have that exact same name. I'm going to go with Daily Bio Facts because I can see there's no other big channels on YouTube that are using that name. Now we can move into the third step, which is creating the logo and banner. Now don't worry, you don't have to be an artist. This is all a super quick process using canva.com. This platform makes graphic design a complete breeze for beginners because of the fact that it has so many templates you can choose from. Essentially, all you have to do to create your logo and banner is head over to Canva, type in YouTube banner and logo alongside your niche, and you can use any of the templates and just put your name and tweak the colors to make it unique. This entire process should take you under 5 minutes. Now we're almost at the fun part, don't worry, but for step 4, what we're going to do is get together 30 viral video ideas. This is to make sure that we have enough content to upload every single day for an entire month. So what you're going to do is head over to ChatGPT and ask it to help you brainstorm 30 viral video ideas with titles based on highly searched questions in your niche. Once again, these are the results that ChatGPT has come back with. Now from here, you can work your way through the video ideas. So I'm gonna just pick a random one. I'm probably gonna go with why do we have belly buttons, the surprising truth, because that would be a question that a lot of people would be curious about if they came across that video topic. And from here, we're gonna generate a script using ChatGPT. Using the exact prompt that you're seeing on the screen right now, you're gonna go ahead and paste the title of your video and then ask ChatGPT to generate your response. This exact prompt has gotten me some of the best results when it comes to YouTube Shorts because it actually makes viral and unique scripts that have an element of humor. And I feel like humor is a universal way of catching someone's attention. If you can make someone curious and also laugh in a video, it's almost guaranteed to go viral. This is what ChatGPT has come up with, so now we're ready to move into the fun part, which is actually creating these videos. As I said, I'm going to be sharing with you an extremely powerful AI tool that's going to do all of the legwork for you. So forget about having to source images and graphics or add your voiceovers or even edit your videos. The platform I'm about to show you is going to do all of that for you. So with your script ready, you're going to head over to this site right here, which is Vid.ai. Now you can start your free trial with the first link down in my description. And once you have your free account, you'll be able to access this dashboard. This is what your dashboard will look like. So from here, you can click new project. And depending on the style that you want to go for, you can select either faceless shorts or fake text. As you can see, there's also some other features that are coming to this platform, but in the meantime, I'm going to be using faceless shorts. And from here, we're going to fill in all of the details about our video. So you're going to paste your title here. You're going to click on script. And from here, you'll be able to select the voice that you want for your voiceover. And a little fun fact, but this first voice that you're seeing right here, Matt, is actually Matt Parr, which is the creator of this software. And you guys will most likely recognize him as Make Money Matt on YouTube. He's known as one of the OGs in YouTube automation. So you know that this platform has all of the features that he used to succeed in YouTube automation. So you can choose from AI generated images. You could go for gameplay videos, or you can go for viral videos. Once you've picked one, you can go ahead and click generate content. And as we wait for the video to be generated, I'm going to put you onto some cat ASMR. Okay, so we have the final video ready. We can go ahead and tweak the text or the music if we need to. I'm just going to make the text a little bit bigger. And I feel like for videos where you're sharing facts, the Blade Runner music is the only one you should be using. If you know, you know. And now I'm rendering the video. Now let me go ahead and play the video so you can see what we're working with.
Your belly button is where your your lifelong subscription to survival started. Yep, that's where your mom downloaded all the nutrients you needed to grow. Here's the fun part. Your belly button is home to its own universe. Scientists found over 2,300 unique species of bacteria in navels. One person even had microbes from Japan, despite never visiting. So, congrats. You're basically a walking ecosystem. But wait, not all creatures have belly buttons. Kangaroos, no. Birds, zero. Dolphins? Oh, they're part.
Okay, so as you can see, this AI tool has generated the entire video, including images that match. So all you need to do is click download and upload this short to YouTube. What I recommend you do is you dedicate an hour or two to making all 30 of the videos for the month and then scheduling them on your YouTube channel. This means that in just a few hours of work in one day, you can have an entire month's worth of videos scheduled and uploaded as you sleep, eat, or do whatever the hell you want to do. Now, I'll be real with you, there's a lot of ways that you can monetize these shorts. Even before you're officially in the partner program, what you can do is put affiliate links in your videos. So you can ask ChatGPT to give you product ideas. For example, for this specific video, you can put ancestry.com, you can put a belly button cleaner, you can put anything that's directly related to the video that you're posting. The great thing about this is that you can get as creative as you want and you can promote just about anything that's related to the video. Another thing that I'd recommend, if you wanted to, you could even go in with ChatGPT and create an ebook or a guide or a course related to your niche and promote that in all of your shorts. If you're feeling like you want to go all in on this side hustle, you can even use it to point people to your long form videos. So you can essentially 10x with the long form, the short form, affiliate links, and potentially your own products. Now, if you want to see how you can create long form videos without ever showing your face, go ahead and drop a laptop emoji down in the comments. If you have any questions, also drop them down below. I'll be sure to reply. And that's all from me in this video. Best of luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.